how to quickly and accurately find HTS codes if you have just any input text. I'd like to show you guys, to anyone who's interested, a tool I've built for this specific use case, where you can just type a text in the box and you almost instantly get the most relevant, sorted by relevancy, HTS codes, or actually any other codes from some of the most used industry standard classifications. But let's look at HTS today. Default example is just a smartphone, but let's try something more specific. For example, I'm sitting in a hoodie here. It's a cotton hoodie. Okay, yes, for man. We can change the top 10 or 30. This is basically a list of candidates. It usually doesn't change the most relevant, the upper results. And I think we don't have a clear winner here, because you can see it thinks 57.2% for all this code with such a description, and others are not far behind. You can of course copy the code, and you can actually do the reverse. You can, if you have a HTS code and you just want to quickly look up what it is, just paste it here and you instantly get the same. Maybe we have something like this, the shortened version, the more general category, and you still can find it and look up quickly. You can also press it and we are sent to US government website, where they have all these codes, subcategories, categories, the big list live, and it opens right away, and you can see all the hierarchy details, etc. So this is about cotton hoodie. Excuse me. Yes. Okay. What else? Another example I had was a coffee machine, for example. Again, just saying coffee machine is very general. That's why I had the following idea. Let's just go to Amazon. And I just will pick a description of, any random coffee machine with all the details and what have you. Maybe also this one, if it has the more details the classifier can use. Top 10 is fine for now. And again, we have some coffee categories, but we don't have a clear winner by relevancy. But still, look at them. We got the coffee maker, domestic. Okay. A lot of very specific categories for coffee machines, as you can see, but that's HTS. And I guess to pick the exactly right category, you have to delve deep into the very specific description. But perhaps this is the correct category. As you can see, it's 990216. They're all 16, so it's like the very last number is only different. And you can see here the relevancy drops, so this is probably something else. Water heater. Yeah, maybe let's remove this. Still the same code. Yeah, I guess it's all about the same. Coffee machine. I wonder if I pick different, will it give me completely different number, 1658. Again, I'll have to take let's see, okay, more product details. Can I just copy this? No. Okay, can I just copy this? All right. Brent Phillips. All right, let's go. What seems to be the problem? It doesn't like vertical lines. Okay. Oh, it's different actually. 58 now number 2, but we have as you can see, quite clear. Oh, not really clear, but still. These two are on top, and these are already significantly less. So that's a good example. You have very specific, very like. How do I say? It's not easy to find the very much correct code because of all of this long description, but still because HTS has thousands of codes, you can paste description of any length here, and you get just a handful of code that are probably right, because these are 30, and here we only have 21%, and so the steep drop-off means that you really need to pick manually just out of 2, 3, something like this. So yeah, this is classifiers.com, HTS code classification, as well as many other codes you can classify the same way. Yep. All right, thank you for your time.